What is trading? Trading refers to buying and selling assets in financial markets such as stocks, forex, commodities, or cryptocurrencies to make a profit. Beginners often start with either stock trading or forex trading. Types of trading: day trading, buying and selling within the same day; swing trading, holding assets for several days or weeks to capitalize on price swings; position trading, long-term trading where positions are held for months or even years; scalping, short-term trading for small profits, often within minutes. Essential tools: brokerage account. Choose a reliable broker with low fees and a good platform for your market of choice like stocks or forex. Trading platform. Tools like MetaTrader for forex or TradingView for stocks provide charting, indicators, and trading features. Charts and indicators. Learn to read charts and use tools like moving averages, RSI, relative strength index, and support resistance levels to make informed decisions. Alright, let's dive into some key terms you need to know. First up, we have pips. In forex trading, a pip is a unit of measure for price movement. Next, leverage. This is borrowed capital used to increase potential returns, but keep in mind, it also increases risk. Then there's the spread. This is the difference between the buy or ask and sell or bid prices. Lastly, we have stop loss. A stop loss is a predefined price at which a trader will exit a losing position to minimize losses. Now, let's talk about some basic trading strategies. One common strategy is trend following. This involves buying when prices are trending up and selling when they are trending down. Another approach is mean reversion, which assumes that prices will revert to their average over time. And then there's the breakout strategy. This strategy involves entering trades when the price breaks through a key support or resistance level. Moving on to risk management. It's crucial to only risk a small percentage of your trading capital on any single trade, for example, 1 to 2%. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Avoid emotional trading. It's important to stick to your strategy. Finally, let's look at some learning resources. Books like by Dr. Alexander Elder or by Kathy Lien are great for beginners.